Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can unfreeze credit on Credit Karma. So let's jump right in. To unfreeze your credit, you'll need to contact each of the three major credit bureaus individually: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Credit Karma does not offer the ability to freeze or unfreeze your credit directly through its platform. Instead, you'll have to visit each bureau's official site or use their phone or mail services. Let's go through each one. To unfreeze your credit with Equifax, first go to the official Equifax website and sign in to your MyEquifax account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. Once logged in, navigate to the Freeze Center where you can either temporarily lift or permanently remove your credit freeze. Follow the on-screen instructions, verify your identity, and submit your request. Alternatively, you can call Equifax at this given number or send a written request by mail to Equifax Information Services at this address. For Experian, visit their Freeze Center by going to their website. Sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see options to lift or remove your credit freeze. Select the appropriate option and verify your identity as needed. If you prefer, you can call at this given number or send a written request by mail information services at this address. To unfreeze your credit with TransUnion, visit their website and log in or create an account. After logging in, navigate to the credit freeze section. From there, you can lift the freeze temporarily, remove it entirely, or even schedule a future lift up to 15 days in advance. You also have the option to use the TransUnion mobile app. If you'd rather not do it online, you can call at this given number or send a written request by mail information services at this address.